Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. Okay, well, first of all, what happened is you must have paid the bond to release this particular person from custody. Okay, and he, of course, would have to fight his case and comply with the immigration requests in order to satisfy the bond. If he does not satisfy those requests, then the money has just become a present to immigration and you're not getting it back. There's going to be a warrant out for the arrest of this person, and he will be taken into custody forcibly and put in detention for the remainder of his immigration proceedings. So the fact you got a letter indicates that they're calling due what is their right to bring this person in for an interview. Now, that doesn't mean that everything's hunky dory. He'll go to an interview and leave with a green card in his hand or without any problems. He may be put in detention. They may try to issue a removal order. I would definitely have an attorney with you during this so that they don't try any funny stuff. And if they do, that we might be able to, do something in order to prevent any type of deportation. So, assuming that you are the obligor, which I assume you are, since you wrote this particular note, you do have an obligation to bring this person to the interview. I don't know what relation this person is to you. Generally, there is a familial relation. Maybe your spouse, maybe your child, maybe your parent, whatever it is. You felt the need to put up the money so that this person could bond out. So you need to convince this person not to skip out on the bond because this person, if he or she does that, is essentially saying that the money you put up to get this person out of bond is not real important and that this person is just going to skip town. Which is the whole reason to get bond in the first place. You can see the leverage that they have over this person just skipping. So you need to convince this person to do two things. One, to make sure that he or she goes to this interview. And secondly, retain an attorney so that the attorney can review the case, see what the possibilities are. Because when they say interview, when ICE says interview, they may not really mean that. They may just be trying to get the person to come in so that they can put them in detention again and or try to deport them. But that's the risk when you get a bond. You have to comply with the requests. But it doesn't mean that an attorney can't have something prepared and legal arguments made in order to go forward. I've had cases that have come in that were surefire losers when they came in, and I saw some ground of relief, quickly filed a motion to reopen before the interview, and then at the interview showed proof of filing the motion to reopen. They said, okay, let us know the result, and then they just let the alien turn around and go back home while it was pending. Okay, so there are things that can be done, but you have to do them. Okay?